Welcome to Kids Coloring Drawing. Hello my friends. Today I am drawing unicorn. Let's draw together. Please subscribe to me. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting so much. Yellow color. Pink color. Purple color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Green color.
Hickory dickory dock,
Blue color.
the hen pecked at the clock
Yellow color.
struck 6, oh little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Light pink.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Pink color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck
Purple color.
5, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock,
Blue color. And finally, blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Wow! It looks so cute. See you next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.